So here I got my 2016 Terrain. Let's see what we got here. 28,000 miles. Here's what my dash looks like. This one does not have the navigation. I could have the navigation right here. But my heater controls is all messed up. I only got cold. I got no heat. And I can hear the little blend door moving, but I don't think it moves enough. And there's dead spaces. So right now I got the fan off, just the key on. I'm gonna go all the way up to cold. And let's get some light in here. All right, I got some good angle and some good light. And right now the heater control is on cold, and that's just one click at a time. One click, nothing. Second click, nothing. Third click, nothing. Fourth, fifth, sixth. Now I'm about halfway, almost getting to hot. There's another one. Another one, another one, another one, another one. There's our first click. Now I'm getting towards the hot. Another click, nothing. There's another click. There's another click towards hot. Another click towards hot. And that's it. I'm all the way down on hot. And if I turn my knob, I'm all the way on hot, and I just kind of give it a little bit more, it does that. So I'm going to go try to turn it past the highest setting, and it does that. So now I'm not touching it. Didn't touch it. Not touching it. And, all right, I'm going to tap it. I'm tapping the temperature gauge on the dash, where you switch it from blue to red, hot to cold. Tap it. Tap, tap. All right, start going back towards cold. There's one click. Towards cold. Towards cold. Towards cold. Click. Towards cold. There's another click towards cold. Click. 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 Now I'm all the way on cold. That's all I get. Now I'm going to flip it fast to hot. That's all she does. And this was what I was doing. Just one click. And I can hear the little motor. I got nothing. Till there. So it only works from here. And when I go like this, you can hear it moving. No range through here, only from here to here. I think it's this. I think this is my problem. Because I already replaced the blend door actuator down there. I think this is my problem. So I decided to pull my dash completely apart. This piece just lifted right up. These wires are real short though. Yeah, there's 4 clips. Here's what this piece looks like. So there's a clip right on the top there. And yeah, that's this whole deal. Clip, clip, clip. Let's see here. That's what the plug-in looks like. part numbers. How about that? And look at those little screws. They're Torx. Little tiny Torx. Hard to get them on camera. So, I think I might try to take this apart. Maybe I can mess with this. Alright, so I got it on the bench. Got all the screws out. I did need an actual screwdriver T8. So I'm going to get down in here. And same with these ones here. This nut. Yep. So there's a couple clips on the side to undo right there. And oof, that's the back of it. All right, let's try this. All right. Got little LED lights there, or whatever. Dang. Yeah, I think I'm at a loss. Well, that's what the inside of that looks like, I guess. I don't know if I go any deeper. Dang. Yeah, so I went and kind of took some more stuff apart. And then all these little white clips come tumbling out. Be careful. Okay, not too bad. I go over here. Alright. Alright, so what I just did is yeah, there's that. Right inside. Right where it's turning. It's hard to get in there. There's a little metal pot right there, potentiometer. So I just sprayed that out. So hopefully the little guy that's moving is all cleaned up and it'll be good. Hopefully. I used electronic cleaner, blew it out with some canned air. Hopefully it's good. Alright, very carefully I kind of sandwiched it back together here. And let's go with this piece. And those. Okay. There it goes. All right, and the presets with a little white nubbins. All right, so that all looks good. And the light bars in. Okay, I think that's all right. I think that's good. Let's start dropping screws in. All right, I got all the screws in, got her put back into place. Hopefully this works. Let's see here. My fan all the way down. I can still hear it moving. And it's dead. Still dead. Through here. Come on. All right. There it moved. There it moved. 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 Moved and stopped. Moved back. Dang. Still nothing. Dang. Maybe I need a new one? Looked like somebody else got in here. Look how nasty that is. Go through there. Maybe somebody got in here. Didn't know what they were doing. Thinking they had to take all this apart. That's marred up. I don't know. Maybe they tried taking this apart and it fell apart like it did on me and they didn't get it put back together right, or I don't know. Dang. Might need a new one of these. So on that GMC Terrain, it was the whole HVAC radio deal here. So that's the price of the part, $208.50, and I guess it's $147.55, you know, an hour that they charge. I don't know for sure. Yeah, labor $147. Look at that. The part $208. Yeah. So if you need to get that replaced, it's going to cost you $371.43.